Hi everyone, this is Joanne, your teacher for Bite-Sized Bisaya Lessons. For today, we are going to talk about questions pertaining to time. In English, we start those questions with when. In Bisaya, the equivalent of when is Kanus-a. Can you repeat after me? Kanus-a. Let's have some examples. Kanus-a imong birthday? Kanus-a imong birthday means when is your birthday? Kanus-a ta magkita? Kanus-a ta magkita means when are we going to meet? Kanus-a ka molakaw? Kanus-a ka molakaw means when are you heading out? Kanus-a ka mobiyahe? Kanus-a ka mobiyahe means when are you traveling? In English, we have these adverbs of time, examples of which are today, later, or tomorrow. We also have equivalents of those in Bisaya. Today is KARON. Again, KARON. Today is KARON. KARON. Can you repeat after me? KARON. Great job! Tomorrow is UGMA. UGMA. Can you repeat after me? UGMA. UGMA. Great job! And later is UNYA. UNYA. Can you say that? UNYA. UNYA. That means later. If we say next week, in Bisaya we say SUNOD SEMANA. SUNOD means next. SEMANA means week. So next week is SUNOD SEMANA. SUNOD SEMANA is next week. If we say next month, it's SUNOD BULAN. BULAN means month. So next month is SUNOD BULAN. SUNOD BULAN is next month. And if you want to say next year, it's SUNOD TUIG. TUIG means year. So SUNOD TUIG means next year. SUNOD TUIG. I'll be placing the transcript of these examples in the description box and I want you to practice them for next time. Hangtod sa sunod! Till next time, bye!